good morning. This is Michelle. I'm Michelle. I'm a Filipino nurse living in Australia and Sydney, actually. So I have a question from one of the followers. Hi, Trix Aureliano. Sabi niya, Hi, ma'am. I saw your video about journey starting as a nurse in Aussie. I'd like to ask po, how did you land a job? Naghahanap na po ako sa SIC, but ang hirap makakita ng may sponsorship. Thanks, ma'am. Hi, Trix. I understand totally. So, nung time ko, I'm sorry for those English-speaking na mga followers. Because the person who's asking me is speaking in Tagalog. So I will try my best to switch Tagalog and English. Okay, and I'm sorry for those Tagalog-speaking people. I'm not really good in Tagalog, but I'll try my best. So, Trix, this is from Trix Aureliano. So, I was quite lucky kasi that time maraming sponsorship. But right now, what I did was apply through seek.com.au or seek.au ba? And LinkedIn. So you have to update your LinkedIn account, and also you can find a job there. There's a job, you can just click on the jobs on the tab named jobs, and you can put in which state you would want to work and which what type of nursing. Tapos lalabas doon lahat, but you cannot filter it you can't filter the search kung sino yung nag-offer ng sponsorship. So you have to go through them one by one. And as what I check, kasi ako din, I'm always checking for, better jobs, better offers. It's always smart to check and be aware of what's going around you in terms of your job and your career. So I can see now there are more offers now for sponsorship for aged care nursing, if that's what you are looking for, or you can get in through aged care nursing. They actually pay great, and then and after you get sponsorship, maybe you go through, you can be a PR, and then you can find another work which you like. Or also there are sponsorship for regional nursing. So what it means that you are not in the city, but you are in the provinces, in the regional areas. So they actually offer sponsorship there. So mo ni siya, ito yung higher chances na makakuha ka ng sponsorship as of now. Also, mind you, it's December and January. Wala masyadong hiring. There's such hiring going on kasi even the HR people are on leave. So it happened to me also. I had to wait December and January. Nothing happens. So nothing happens during those times. Australians tend to slow down during December and January, so just be mindful of that. So don't be disappointed. Just put in your application. They will get back to you as soon as they can. Don't be disappointed or ma-down ka kasi walang nagre-reply sa'yo within this month. It would take some time. So what I can advice is you just put in as many applications as you can. If you really want to come in now, as soon as you can, maybe find an area of nursing that offers sponsorship, aged care or regional nursing, and then from then on you work towards the goal that you always want. So yeah, a little bit of sacrifice, patience, and determination really will get you to your goal. Good luck, Trix, and I hope this also helps other people and other Filipino nurses or foreign nurses who wants to come to Australia and work.